PFE. They got good news from a court. They invalidated 2 GlaxoSmithKline patents, but then they also got an activist, Starboard Value, who's basically acquired $1 billion stake in the company. Now, Pfizer is no little company, so $1 billion might sound like a lot to somebody, but when the company's worth 160 billion plus, Pete, I'm thinking, yeah, they can kind of posture, but they can't really force you to do much with a mere $1 billion, can they?
No, they're not going to be able to have that much influence. They're going to have to step it up if they want to, John. You know what's really interesting? I was taking a look at Pfizer because it's a name that really is from the past. When you look at it even now, it's pretty amazing because the yield is a pretty nice yield, right? 5.8%. That's not so bad, on a dividend yield. But the stock has done absolutely nothing year to date. It's almost completely flat year to date. And if you go back to 2021 in December, it's half of that level where it was close to 60, and here it is basically closer to $30. So you can kind of understand why there's interest from an activist and why they might want to shake it up, because the performance has not been there. And they're going to go back and they're going to talk to different former CEOs and try to get them on their bandwagon. I think they've already kind of recruited and done a little bit of that. But that is something that's going to be very interesting. And they're going to have to swing with a bigger bat, though, to your point, John. When you go in for $1 billion, that does sound like a lot. But when it's a company that's 160 or more $1 billion market cap, they probably are looking at these guys going, all right, if you want to have us step up, you better step up. And that could be something that maybe fuels a little bit of something for Pfizer going into the future.